We are now currently in a situation where there are more manufacturing job and growth opportunities than there are for candidates and employees to fill those jobs. So TMA's training being designed by manufacturers mean that any student that goes through the training process is already put in a place that makes them hireable and desirable. Starting out with the TMA training program provides limitless opportunities for growth all the way through the shop floor, through leadership, through management, and perhaps even ultimately ownership. I am a product of that path. I did not complete college. I started driving a forklift, and I've been president of C&L Supreme and running C&L Supreme for pretty close to 22 years. Those opportunities move very quickly for me, and they can move very quickly for you.